to the channel. We're gonna head and start off the video with some unboxing. I know it's been a while with everything going on with coronavirus and the car being down, but we're getting some maintenance done. The mech unit is on the way, so right here we got some H&R lowering springs. I believe this is a 1.5 drop, not the 2. Also got the new tires. About to go get the rest of them. Car is fully packed. We also got a special delivery for Scott over at Deutschwurx too. A few things to keep him going while he's, building all these cars for you guys. So let's go ahead and get into Deutschwurx right now. I don't know if you see this, but check this artistic out. All right, you guys, we are back. As you see here, we got a little package from 034 Motorsport. I know you guys probably thinking, what is going on here? But let's go ahead and get this box opened up and see what we have inside. Stay tuned. All right, got the box cut open. Go ahead and see what's inside. So we're gonna remove the packaging. Car from 034. Alright. Just put this to the side. I'm actually not 100% sure what's in the box. As you guys see, something big is happening. For you guys, we're going to take the build to the next level this year. Had a few minor setbacks, which we'll touch on later in the video, but let's go ahead and get this unboxed. So, oh, look at this, a little keychain, 034 keychain. Put that in there. Okay, the badge. I know you see that. Plus, okay. You guys can count. Some more stickers. Wow, missing a lot of stuff. Man, shout out to 034. Some of you guys, just based off of me opening this box, you already see what's happening. Another sticker. I'm not sure what this is. I'm gonna check it out in a little bit. More stickers. Jeez. They sent the care package, man. Shout out to 034, man. This is actually, I've been doing Audi builds for about 3 years now. I originally started out with JDM cars. This is actually my 3rd Audi, and oh wow, this is a shirt. Okay, so this is a shirt. I'm gonna have to open it up some more in a little bit, in a couple seconds. Let's make sure I get it out. Check out all these papers because there was actually. I think that's all the contents of the box. All right, the box is empty now. Now this package is actually a little bit bigger, so like this. Let's see what this is, guys. Comment down below. Let me know if you think this is. Okay. All right. Real 3-4. You guys have exceeded my expectations. Wow. Alright, so here's everything again laid out on the table. We got the badge for the car, keychains, a few stickers, flashing tool. Have some fun with this. And then we got a t-shirt. You guys, shout out to 034. This is what I'm talking about when I say I really take my time when I'm, choosing who to go with in regards to tuning the car and everything like that. And for me to make this switch, if you guys know me, this is a big switch. Just letting you guys know that I've been running APR on my last 3 Audis, and it's been years, almost 7 years I've been running with APR, and I've had APR on my current S4 for almost 3 years. So it's crazy for me to make the switch, but for me to do this, just to let you guys know that 034 is a very good tuner. You know, they build great products, things like that. And I had my eye on them for a while. I thought about making the switch a while back. I should have done it, but you know, everything happens for a reason. You know, the S4 went down, had to get it fixed, and you know, we thought about making some switches and seeing how, you know, what can we really do with this S4. And we're shooting for 10s this year. And I think with 034 we're gonna get through, guys. We're gonna get through. So stay tuned. No, this did not come from 034, but I did go ahead and purchase. This is a HP Stream. I believe it's running at Windows 11. I personally have a bunch of Apple products. We have MacBooks, iPads, iPhones, and all that stuff. So I could not use that to do the flashing myself here at home. So I went out and bought this computer. You guys can grab this. I don't want to buy a brand new computer, so I bought it from Micro Center. Some of you guys may know that place. It's about maybe 250 bucks, and I'm going to use this to flash the car. So stay tuned, guys.